tools for goods, but services get thrown in too. Hybrid contracts blend the lines, so what's the law construed? Predominant purpose test tells you which one applies. Goods or service, main event, that's how you analyze which one's the primary purpose, the goods or the service side. That's the very first question, don't let that step slide. Once you found the UCC's the law that governs here, Florida has adopted the UCC. Say that phrase loud and clear. $500 or more in goods, writing's required by law. Statute of frauds applies here, that's the general draw. But specially manufactured goods can save an oral deal. Three things gotta be true before that exception's real. Not suitable for sale to others, made just for the buyer's use. Substantial start on making it before they cut it loose. Commitment for procurement counts before repudiation's heard. Cancel it too early and the writing rules not blurred. Perfect in the rules says goods must conform in every way. Any defect buyer rejects. That's the UCC way. Reasonable time to reject it. Seasonable notice to miss those steps. You've lost your shot. That rejection's through. Merchant buyer rejects the goods, more duties on their plate. Follow the seller's instructions, don't just let it wait. Ship it back or sell it off if it's the perishable kind. Reasonable care required, that duty's not declined. Sellers got a right to cure if the time is not run out. Fix it up and try again, that's what cure's about. Or if the seller reasonably believed it would be fine, further reasonable time is granted to make it align. Prior dealings past assurances can open up that door. Seller gets another shot to make the tender work once more. Perfect tender, strict as it gets, no substantial performance here. Any flaw in buyer's out, that rule is crystal clear. Not suitable for sale to others, made just for the buyer's use. Substantial start on making it before they cut it loose. Commitment for procurement counts before repudiation's heard. Cancel it too early and the writing rules not blurred. Perfect tender rules says goods must conform in every way. Any defect buyer rejects. That's the UCC way. Reasonable time to reject it. Seasonable notice to miss those steps. You've lost your shot. That rejection's through. Now here's a timing twist that catches many minds off guard. If the buyer cancels first before the seller starts, take heed and mark before that substantial start. Before commitments made, the statute of frauds defense stands. That oral deal won't stay. Timing is everything in the specially manufactured game. Track the notice of repudiation, track it just the same. Started making the deals enforceable, no writing needed still. Cancel first, back to the writing rule. That's the seller's chill. Not suitable for sale to others, made just for the buyer's use. Substantial start on making it before they cut it loose. Commitment for procurement counts before repudiation's heard. Cancel it too early and the writing rules not blurred. Perfect in the rules says goods must conform in every way. Any defect buyer rejects. That's the UCC way. Reasonable time to reject it. Seasonable notice to miss those steps. You've lost your shot. That rejection's through. The predominant purpose first, then say the UCC applies. 500 needs a right unless the exception flies. Perfect tender, strict is strict, reject it clean and fast. Cure gives sellers one more chance. Now that knowledge lasts.